In a business environment where supply chain responsiveness is critical to customer fulfillment and growth, manufacturing performance is a primary component in delivering business results. New technology, such as augmented reality and 3D printing, can be useful, but these alone are not enough to support a company's manufacturing objectives. True performance improvement is delivered by people, working with the right processes and having the right training, and only then enabled by the right technology. This is the distinctive benefit of the EY Smart Factory, a cloud-based, integrated, standardized, and scalable improvement approach that provides speed and collaboration across global operations. Imagine a day at the EY Smart Factory, beginning with a digital handover at shift change that highlights performance status and flags issues for escalation. Machine learning algorithms provide highly accurate predictive maintenance capability, and maintenance tasks are supported with augmented reality. Energy and utility consumption can be measured at a deeply granular level, with a clear view of the financial impact of consumption. AI neural networks and machine learning drive market-leading process optimization. And all of the activities taking place across the enterprise are monitored and reported in real time. So there are consolidated views of the company for daily meetings. Above all, key performance indicators specific to each user can be delivered on multiple devices, meaning with Smart Factory, at the end of the day, your team can leave secure they've achieved increased efficiency and confident that everything is running smoothly for tomorrow.